Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete trade account. So guys, let me tell you something that there is no option to delete trade account yet. But if you want to delete your trade account, then you need to delete your Instagram account also, because Instagram and trade are connected together. So it is not possible to delete trade account while keeping your Instagram account also. But guys, you can do one thing. You can deactivate your trade account temporarily. And with this, you can keep your account closed for as long as you want. And also you can open it again whenever you want. So for that, you have to go to your profile. Now tap on the two lines icon in the right side of corner. Tap on account. Now tap on deactivate profile. And then tap on deactivate trades profile. Now just tap on deactivate, and then your trade profile will be deactivated. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.